Hey Chichat fam, hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ash. I'm so happy guys to be back with another interesting video, with another bang guys. Today we are going to talk about Madam Boss Voda Kuzviuraya. So she wrote on her Facebook in the morning, she said, I'm not okay mufunge pfungwa nendangariro zviri kundikurira ndinombofunga dai ndafa hangu asi ndinozosimbiswa nevana vangu. They really give me a reason yekusafunganya. I know there is someone who is feeling the same, but all I can say is to you is to be strong. Sawira Satan aripabasa, like for real Satan aripabasa, because the moment you start to think about anything close to death, just know that you're not okay, and we just pray she'll be okay. And today also vavarainda ivo kugomo, because she also posted a video about mountain climbing. You know, she was saying the mountains are calling and I must go. So sometimes we all agree that you all need that peaceful place, the time that you can connect with nature in situations like this. So we just wish her well. But before we dip in the story, the reason why she was thinking about all this shit stuff, please subscribe, like, share and comment, and make sure you guys you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out anything that your girl gonna post, because I always come here guys with the most trending news in the world. So please guys keep watching. So a lot of people were saying the reason why she's now thinking otherwise, it's because the moment yakabva ku America and to those pranks aita ekukumbira mari, she really needed that money because angaita overspend paakaenda ku America. I don't know how true is it, but it might be true, because now vamwe vakuti ari kupiwa pressure namaititi whatnot, but I'm not here for that. I'm here guys good. Sometimes if you feel this way, you just need to talk to someone, you just need to be around people so that you feel and you just have the feeling yakuti there is God, and you also need to pray as well. But well, here's the thing. So he was saying, I know there's someone who is feeling the same, because nyika and pasi pane zvinhu zvakawanda zvinoitika. Just know that God is good, and unofana kureretera. All the socialites, they were asking her, are you okay? Anna Denzel were saying, mama, are you okay? Adopted son, mama, are you okay? Which is good to check, but also go there physically so that you know what is really happening. But we just wish her well guys, because yeah, sometimes there's a moment that we all just have that thought, but you just need someone to talk to, and also you just need strength. Okay, so yeah, wish you well, Madam Boss, and whatever you're doing, just know that your friends really do love you, and we appreciate you so much. And at the same time, but that one I'll come back with that story guys, so that I can tell you in detail what is really happening in the socialite industry, and also who is behind all this. Okay, I'm not pointing fingers at anyone, but we are just saying socialite is also a human being, so let's treat them the same. Sometimes yes, they also face depression, they also face bad days, so let's not say why now, why you want to kill yourself, why you think of that. And I was like, okay, iwe uri kusimbiswa nevana komofu hausi kufungawo nezvavo here murume wako kuti zvinondomusiyawo nani. But anyway, as you all know, hakuna akavimba nemurume akasanyadziswa. That's the other thing. So yeah, your babies will be your best friend, will be those people that can stand with you anyway, anyhow, and anytime as well. So we can say to you, Madam Boss, all the best, and be well. You'll be well, and we are sure they might do Jackie, but Jackie's sick, and all Mama V's, they'll come to you, they'll come to just say, girl, be well, and keep moving. So yeah guys, and also let's welcome our new members to the family. Before we close this video, you guys, you're such an amazing people. Make sure you stay in this video, and also make sure you guys you turn on notification bell, and you always comment down below what you think. And to my returning subscribers, you guys, you're such an amazing fam. Thank you guys. We're now on the road 5k subscribers, and it's all because of you. Thank you. Bye guys, I'll see you again on my next video. I hope you enjoyed.